हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, क्लास 10 के सिलेबस में जो बायोलॉजी का फर्स्ट चैप्टर है दैट इज लाइफ प्रोसेस. फर्स्ट वी नो अबाउट द लाइफ प्रोसेस. व्हाट इज लाइफ प्रोसेस? लाइफ प्रोसेस इज a process by this we can survive easily in our surroundings. You can say in other word, life process means a group of processes which perform inside your body that help you to survive safely, and that process is required every time for the every living organism existence. Without life process no organism can existence or their survival is not possible. So life process is an essential process of every living organism. So nutrition is the such a life process that help the organism to maintain their energy level from the outside to inside body of organism. So today we will know about what is nutrition. You have studied in class 7. Nutrition is a mode of taking food and its utilization. How the animals take food and it's utilized by the body, that collectively called nutrition. But in class 10, you know that nutrition is transfer of energy sources from the outside to inside the body. From the outside, the energy source is food, and inside the body, the energy source is another molecules that is called ATP. So, nutrition is the such type of transformation of energy source. From the outside there is a variable source of energy, but inside there is only one source of energy, that is ATP. So nutrition is transfer of source of energy. So inside your body there is source of energy is ATP, and outside your body there is source of energy is variable. There are many things you have take in the form of food, but whenever you take that, when enter inside your body, that convert to the uniform source, and that is called ATP. So whenever do you require energy inside your body, that fulfilled by the one molecule, that is called adenosine triphosphate. Adenosine triphosphate is a molecule same as the glucose. Glucose is a molecule, but it is present outside. When it enter inside, that convert into the ATP. So nutrition is transfer of source of energy from the outside the body to the inside body of organism. On the basis of nutrition, whole organism divided in two groups. On the basis of nutrition, there are so many types of divisions of organism. When you divide the whole organism on the basis of nutrition, then you will find the one group of organism is autotrophs, and second group of organism is heterotrophs. Autotroph, it is made by two words. Auto means self and troph means nourishment. Means organism which is capable to nourish or take care by their own. So these group of animals, they are specialized for the making their food by own. they never depend to others. So all the green plants are capable to make their own food, and by this they fulfill their requirement of energy. And others group of animals which is not depend are capable to make their food, they are depend to others, and that is called heterotrophs. Their dependency to others are variable. On the dependency to others make them different groups. Dependency to others make them different groups, and that are categorized in the different groups. The first group is holozoic, and second is saprozoic, and third is parasitic. So there is a dependency, and that dependency decide their groups. Holozoic, when organisms take their food in the solid form, all the animals, most of the animals take food in the solid form. Saprozoic, they take food in the liquid form. And parasitic, ready-made food. They take ready-made food from the other living organisms. So this is the major group of heterotrophs. Holozoic and saprozoic also differ in sense of, in holozoic, organisms take food and then digest. Saprozoic, organisms digest food and then take inside the body. And parasitic is the dependency to each other of the organism, and that dependency of the plus and minus to the both of the organism. Two others group of animals also perform the different type of nutrition, and that is called symbiotic and insectivorous. Symbiotic is the mixing of nutrition, and insectivorous also a partial dependency to others for the taking nutrients. So these are the groups of animals which perform the different type of nutrition in our surroundings. There are so many group of animals, they take food in the form of energy, but their taking of food is variable. On that basis, there is a group of animals categorized.